How Chinese medicine helped male infertility. Jim's story. When Western medicine gave up, Chinese medicine offered hope. Meet Jim, a respected professor at a top local university. He teaches MBA students, sharp minds with high expectations. But behind the scenes, Jim was silently battling a deeply personal struggle: male infertility. A well-known hospital diagnosed Jim with severe DNA fragmentation in his reproductive cells, a condition they said was irreversible. In their eyes, there was no hope for natural conception. But when Western medicine closed the door, Jim's friend led him to mine. At our Chinese medicine clinic, I discovered more than just a physical issue. Jim was mentally exhausted from years of intense work, late-night research, and lack of rest. He suffered frequent migraines, nausea, and declining sexual health. His body was out of balance. I turned to traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncture to restore that balance. We focused on regulating yin and yang, bringing harmony back to his body. I prescribed herbs like Acanthopanax cortex, Salvia miltioriza, Lithium barbarum, and Cinnamorium songaricum. Key acupuncture points such as Zusanli, Sanyinjiao, Guanyuan, and Qihai were stimulated to boost vitality and reproductive energy. After 8 months of consistent treatment, Jim's reproductive DNA had shown remarkable improvement. Even the doctors who had once lost hope were amazed at the results. In the 9th month, Jim's wife became pregnant. They welcomed a healthy baby girl and shared their joy publicly with a thank you letter in the local newspaper. Since then, Jim has referred over a dozen couples to our clinic. His journey sparked a wave of hope for many facing similar challenges. Though the exact mechanisms of how Chinese medicine repairs DNA damage are still under research, I believe the key lies in regulating qi, our body's vital energy. Jim's story is just one example of how ancient wisdom can meet modern challenges. In the future, Chinese medicine may hold even greater potential for treating infertility, both male and female.
I want to emphasize again that this story is sharing for education purpose and doesn't suggest everyone should take same approach. Each health journey is unique, and proper medical guidance is essential when deal with condition. If you got a story like this, drop a comment. I love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural healing story and health tips. And if you have a question, feel free to leave a comment below. I love to help. If you found this topic helpful and want to dive deeper, I will publish a book. You can find the link in the description section below. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and happy. I see you in next video.